and talk to Sudeep Shah, who's joining us on the technicals from SBI Sec. Sudeep, afternoon. So what do you make of this massive rally in India VIX? Is it any of concern to you? And or do you think that market is topped off for near term and going back to 22,300, 400 levels?
Good afternoon, Ajay ji. I feel, just because the India VIX has risen from say around 11 in the last month to 14, 15 currently, I don't feel that, you were absolutely right when at the start of the show you said that right now it is not moving in tandem like when the VIX rises, Nifty will fall, or when the VIX falls, Nifty will rise. So in the last month, we have seen a lot of these scenarios where it was not the relationship was not as it used to be earlier. It just means that ahead of the election now, we are just barely 1 month from the election results to be announced. So that also would be slowly and steadily will get factored in, and it will just mean increased choppiness at these higher levels. My basic reading of this rise in VIX is that we would see intraday a lot of choppiness within a trading session also. And it does not mean that 10% rise in VIX would mean 500 points fall in the index. So while we are seeing Nifty down 150, 160 points, it is just plainly because we have just hit newer highs, 22,700, 22,800 levels. And since in the last 10 days, the rally has been, say, 1,000-point rally, we have just given away a bit of the gains from higher levels.
Okay, what are your trading ideas right now, Sudeep?
My trading ideas would be, the first one would be Alembic Pharma. Now, what we've seen in case of Alembic Pharma is this stock has given a good breakout on the upside. It was consolidating since last 1.5 to 2 months between 1025 and 930 on the downside, and today we have seen some good price momentum here. In the last few days, lot of pharma stocks have shown good momentum. So I feel here Alembic Pharma also can do well from here. Daily, weekly, monthly, all the time frames, the stock is looking positive. So from the current levels, it could be bought with a stop loss of 1005 on the downside and 1070 target on the upside. The second stock that I like is Coal India. Now, Coal India also post a consolidation in the last 1.5 month, has now given a breakout on the upside, and from the current levels, I feel this could be bought with a stop loss of 453 on the downside and a target of 482 and 488 on the upside.
Right. Sudeep, any view on Bank Nifty and the constituents there, especially like Kotak and
all? From Bank Nifty, if you see, it was outperforming in the last few sessions, courtesy Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. But post that now, because Kotak Bank is not moving, HDFC Bank is in a range, we are not seeing any follow-up action on Bank Nifty. So 49,400, 49,500 will act as a resistance. But on the downside, this zone of 48,300, 48,400, where the 20-day exponential moving average is placed, and this zone has, the 20-day has not been breached since last 7-8 trading sessions. So I feel this could be a pullback to that zone of 48,400 odd zone, and then we could see some pullback in Bank Nifty from those levels. So it is just kind of a retracement on the downside, and 48,400, 48,500 I feel would be a good support. Coming to Kotak Bank now, Kotak Bank, here I feel there is a complete breakdown on the chart. 1660, 1640 was that breakdown zone, and post that breakdown, there is a continuous selling pressure there. So I feel on the downside, the stock could head up to 1480, 1450 levels in the next few weeks to come.
Right. Thanks for that, Sudeep.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.